Where does the name for Glangors come from? So today I'm in a housing estate in Caia Park in Wrexham, and it's called Glangors. Let's get into the name.
So let's break the name down. First we have glan. Now, a glan is a bank of a river or the shore of a lake or another body of water or maybe a swamp, and it's from the Proto-Celtic word glannos, which means it's related to the word glyn. And then we have gors. Now, gors is the soft mutation of cors, which means a swamp or reeds, and that comes from the Proto-Celtic word corks, which means it's related to the Cornish word cors, which means reeds again. So where is the cors, the swamp? Well, it's either on the banks of the Afon Gwenfro, the small stream that flows just south of the estate, or maybe it's the boggy area of woodland just north of the estate by the school.
So the name literally means the bank of the swamp, the edge of the swamp. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.